Scriptures by Guru Maharaj Sri K.R. Santanam.
Conquer the world within. He who has controlled his mind is really happy and free. Physical freedom is no freedom at all. If we are easily carried away by surging emotions and impulses, if we are under the grip of moods and cravings, how can we be really happy? O sweet beloved friend, we are like a rudderless boat. We are tossed about hither and thither like a piece of straw in the vast expanse of ocean. We laugh for 5 minutes and weep for 5 hours. What can wife, son, friends, money, fame, and power do for us when we are under the sway of the impulse of our mind? He is a true hero who has controlled his mind. There is an adage. He who has controlled his mind has controlled the world. True victory is victory over the mind. That is real freedom. A thorough, rigorous discipline and self imposed restrictions will eventually eradicate all desires, thoughts, impulses, cravings, and passions. Only then, and not until then, can we expect to be free from the thraldom of the mind. We should not give any leniency to the mind. The mind is a mischievous imp. Curb it by drastic measures. Become a perfect yogi. Money cannot give us freedom. Freedom is not a commodity that can be purchased. It's a rare, hidden treasure guarded by a five-hooded serpent. Unless we kill or tame this serpent, we cannot have access to this treasure. The treasure is spiritual wealth. That is freedom. That is bliss. The serpent is our mind. The five hoods are the five senses through which the mind serpent hisses. The Rajasic, restless mind always wants new things. It wants variety. It gets disgusted with monotony. It wants change of place, change of food, change in short of everything. But we should train the mind to stick to one thing. We should not complain of monotony. We should have patience, adamantine will, and undaunted persistence. Then only can we succeed in yoga. He who wants something new every now and then is quite unfit for yoga. We should stick to one place, one spiritual preceptor, one method of yoga, and one institution. That is the way to positive success. Thou art my all in all. Thou art my very soul. Thou art the soul of my soul. I have none but thee. Thou alone art my real friend. Thou art my guru, my father, and my mother. Thou art my sole refuge. I long for thy grace alone. Thou art the knower and the teacher. Thou art the knowledge that knows. Thou art the ultimate truth that is known or realized.
Oh.